you are following our existing integration, you might know that we have Airflow integration for a while. So, and I think this is the only data orchestration tool, what we support. I brought you Maggie brought you a nice, cute dog picture. I brought you an AI-generated little girl who represents our community, who she only has, one toy. She's kind of happy, but wouldn't be her happier having more toys and more options to play with. We think the same about our community, and actually our community really asks for other data orchestrator tool integrations. So I'm happy to announce our new Prefect and Dagster integration. So as you can see, even this little girl is so happy now, and we hope our community will be happy as well. But I just give you like a brief overview of our new integrations. First, I will start with Prefect. What you will get if you use our integration. Basically, we had the same user experience what you would get with Airflow. In the top of the screen, you can see a screenshot from Prefect, and on the bottom, you can see some example screenshot from our integration after I ran these workflows on DataHub. As you can see, it has the same look and feel and user experience what we had with Airflow, and we automatically basically capture the Prefect entities into DataHub entities. So basically, you don't have to do anything. We also capture tags, and we can also capture data dependencies. It's not captured automatically, but if you annotate your tasks with inputs and outputs, similarly how initially you could do with Airflow as well, with the inlets and outputs, then our integration can capture those dataset inputs and outputs as well. How you can set it up, it's quite easy. You just need to run a pip install, then creating a configuration block basically a Prefect primitive, saving configurations, and then using this block in your Prefect workflow, and that's it. You are done. You will get your metadata. The metadata will be captured from your workflow runs and sent to DataHub. The other integration is Dagster. Here, the look and feel, it's the same as with the other data orchestration tool integrations. In the top here as well, you can see a software-defined asset in Dagster. Below that, you can see the same partial of these pipeline in DataHub as well. So basically, you don't have to do anything. We automatically will convert those Dagster entities into DataHub entities, and you will see your lineage and metadata on DataHub with the plugin. Here, we also provide you automatic data test dependency detection. There are multiple ways to do that. One is basically for software-defined assets, or like Dagster asset. Based on the asset keys, we can create DataHub burns, and then based on that, we can set as a downstream dependency of the asset those data sets. Or you can use a drop-in replacement of the Snowflake Pandas IO Manager, which automatically will capture the downstream dependencies and the dependency and set for the asset. Or if you set the query metadata on your asset, we can use as well SQL parsing to capture dataset inputs and outputs automatically. How you can set it up? It's as well here as well. It's quite easy. You just install a plugin. You create a sensor definition and add your definitions or DataHub sensor. The DataHub sensor is basically just listen all of the data Dagster events and capture metadata automatically. And that's it. You are done. So these are basically an initial implementation of these integration. So we are really looking forward for your feedback to get some information how we should improve this. So please reach out to me if you start using these plugins and you have any feedback. I would really appreciate that.